Well, clinical trial allows us to advance our knowledge and improve the treatment of cancer, in this case lymphoma, for patients current and future. And so they're important. Clinical trials is research using patients as the research subjects. There are various types of clinical trial, from early phase trials where new drugs are being studied, the dosage and the side effects and their activity, to late phase clinical trials where we already know a lot about a clinical trial and we just want to see whether this new treatment is better than the current standard treatment we have. There are some randomized double-blind trials where one arm, for example, contains the active drug and the other arm contains a placebo in addition to standard treatment. So they may not get any advantage if they're on the placebo arm, and neither the patient nor the doctor may know which arm, whether they're getting placebo or so-called active drug. Being on a clinical trial, patients usually have to follow a fairly structured regimen of treatment, of tests to test the activity of the drug. There may be extra tests which are required for the purposes of the trial to assess the drug more closely. Very important clinical trial group called the Australasian Leukemia and Lymphoma Group, which runs clinical trials in lymphoma as well as other hematological cancers, and that group runs many clinical trials around Australia.